as you can see, just take this pick and come here and push it out. Once you push it out, remove that piece. There is another piece in there. Okay, there's like there's that piece, so just keep that in mind. Okay, let me place that right there on the side. And we have the spring, and following that is that piece, so it came out like that, and that's about it. So this whole shell here is empty, and so we have this piece that came from the last section right here. Alright, and this goes like that. So place that on the side, and it's pretty dirty. Alright.